Here's Uizard Auto Designer tutorial. Here's how to design a text prompt. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Auto Designer and how you can use it with text prompts only. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end to know how to do it. So yeah, this is a step-by-step video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So yeah, so let's just jump into it. So first of all, as you all can see, I'm here in Uizard AI main dashboard, and here it's very clean and simple, and as you can see, it's showing me a new screen, so I can add templates and stuff like that. So let's just ignore all this, and first of all, I'm gonna explain how it works. So it could basically auto design any of your ideas that you want. Let's say you want a click on the prompt. So once you are here, just click on this, use Auto Designer 1.5. Alright, once you click on this, as you can see, it gave me the option of a screenshot or prompt. Just press on prompt, and as you can see, I can now write prompt over here. So once you are right over here, as you can see, I am on the prompt option. So I'm on the prompt option. Once I'm here, I'm gonna type a dating app for superheroes. All right, dating app for superheroes. Let's just press generate and see what happens. And as you can see, it's generating my screens, and let's just wait until it generates fully. So it's generating. Let's see how long it takes. And there we go. And as you can see, it has generated. Let's just press on use screen. And as you can see, I got this right over here. And as you can see, it's literally for superheroes. And as you can see, superheroes location, Gotham City, superhero gender, male, female, superhero distance. So you have got the idea of it, like how you can auto design. So as you can see, you can fill out the profile by just doing some stuff. So let's just press on focus predator. That's another it's a feature. So as you can see, it basically shows you what can you fill out. And let's just check out its other features too. And as you can see, it has all the different screens. Let's just check this one, and as you can see. And the one more thing about that I like about this is that you can basically customize anything about this, from keyboard to any other thing. So let's say you don't like its concept, so you can design its concept so however you like and however you want. So yeah, that's a pretty clean and nice feature I very like about this. So yeah, I can literally change anything and delete or remove any type of thing. And then I get another option. It's called suggest. So once you press this, it will show something alternative of the text that we removed. So let's just see what it gives us. So as you can see, let's just press replace. And yeah, as you can see, so let's just try something different now. So this was something for dating, and let's say if you're serious, let me just remove these. Press delete. Why aren't they deleting though? Let me just put them side away. We really don't want these, because I'm gonna get new ones. Alright, there we go. We have now a whole new space right over here. Let's just go and select your screen and try something different this time. So let's say a shop for PC and console gamers, and see what we get. Press try again. Alright, it's again generating the screens for us. Let's just wait. So yeah, as you all can see, it's waiting, and It's taking a minute to generate, so let's just wait how it goes. And as you can see, it's telling me generating your screens. Let's just wait. Yeah, it could load up any minute now. Let's just see. And as you can see, I got this, and let's just check it out how it is. And yeah, oh my god guys, as you can see, it's looking pretty cool. It literally gave every detail that you want for your shop. So like it's very useful guys, as you can see. I get, and the other useful thing about this, obviously, you can resize and change its color and add more icons to it. I really like this features about this. And as you can see, it literally loaded up everything that you want for your store, as you can see. Popular games, it literally gave us everything about we needed. I really like how it goes through and the concept of it. So let's just try one last one, just so y'all's concept is good and y'all know how it actually works. So let's just try something for some business people this time around. I'm gonna type in a website for crypto and Bitcoin. Alright, let's see how it goes. Again, it's generating my screens. I'm just gonna wait until it's fully loaded up. So yeah, it could show up any minute now. So as you can see, it's almost done. Let's just see how it is now. And we got it, as you can see. But yeah, as I'll remember that I only had this the free trial. If y'all remember, I explained this in one video. So that only if I have like the pro feature, I can use more projects. But I don't have unlimited screens, and I use 2 of my screens. But as you can see, it's pretty much all about the stuff, Bitcoin and stuff like that. Yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can use Auto Designer, text prompt, user and AI. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out, and this was it for this video. So yeah, peace out until then. Goodbye.